Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I am a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. And in today's video, I want to introduce you a very popular brand called Curlsmith. I learned about this brand on Instagram. Some of the curl influencers that I follow, they all use these products and I always wanted to try them, but because they ship from US, I had to pay duties and conversion rates. But recently I found this website based in Calgary called Curls Warehouse, and they do have some of the products from this line, and I ordered the Curlsmith Transitioning Hair Kit, the travel size. So if you want to learn more about this brand and how to use these products to get beautiful bouncy curls, keep watching. For this video, I ordered the Curlsmith Transitioning Hair Kit, which is their travel size, and this is their moisturizing line that is designed to repair damaged hair and hydrate and moisture your hair. So if you are somebody that has lots of hair damage and is lacking moisture, this line is perfect for you. And also if you are somebody that has protein sensitivity, this product is fully protein free, so you won't have any reactions. It's very rich and moisturizing, so if you're looking for that to give moisture to your hair, this line will be great for you. This set comes with 4 different products, and the first one is their curl conditioning wash. So this is a co-wash, great for people that has very damaged hair, that is lacking moisture. These are all natural ingredients. It's a low poo conditioning wash that gently cleanses and hydrates your hair. So good to moisturize, is anti-freeze and gives you shine and helps you detangle. I used this one already 2 times. This will be my 3rd time using it. I'm not a very fan of a co-wash since my scalp tends to get very oily. So if you are somebody like me that doesn't wash their hair so often, I would recommend using something stronger. But for those who like to wash their hair maybe twice a week, this product will be amazing because it won't dry out your hair. On the other hand, it will bring moisture to your hair. So this is great to have handy. It's suitable for all hair types, so no matter your curl pattern, this product will work for you. The second product that comes with this set is the Double Cream Deep Squincher. This is a ultra moisturizing deep conditioner. I tried it and it really gives your hair moisture. You are supposed to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. So what I did is I washed my hair, conditioning wash, and then applied this as my deep conditioner. And the 3rd and 4th products are the Hold Me Softly Styling Balm, which is curl cream. For those who has very wavy hair, this could be the only product that you will need. And if you want more hold, it also comes with the In Shower Style Fixer. This is a very, very strong gel. Since my hair is very dirty, I will use my homemade apple cider vinegar rinse to help remove the product buildup that I may have on my hair. If you want to know how to make it, make sure to check the link here so you can do it yourself. I do notice a big improvement on the health of my scalp by using this product before washing my hair. So I will go ahead and wash and apply my deep conditioner, and I will do it and come back to show you how to style my hair with these products. So stay tuned. So my hair is fully clean. I do want to mention that since this is a low shampoo cleanser, I do recommend cleansing your scalp 2 times because it's not like a regular shampoo that produces a lot of bubbles. that those bubbles help remove the dirt. So since this one is like more conditioning one, you really have to massage your scalp very well to remove and clean any product buildup. But this is my hair. I did not apply any conditioner, but I hope you can see how my hair it looks very nice and detangle. Using this product, what I like the most is that it really helps detangle your hair, so you don't have to use other products or a conditioner, because that's the job. So now I'm going to apply the Double Cream Deep Squincher, which is their deep conditioner, and it says that this is a ultra moisture enhance revives. This product feeds the hair with moisture, and in the instructions says that after washing your hair, you have to apply the product focusing on the ends and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after rinse. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to grab the product, and I will probably apply this much. As you can see, it's a very creamy and thick cream, and I'm going to apply it like on half of my hair first, and focusing on the from the mid to the end. It smells so good. And using the detangling brush, I will use it to spread the product evenly throughout my hair. As you can see, I'm also brushing the top, and also whatever product is left on the ends, I'm just gonna spread it evenly to the top. You don't want to apply too much product on the top, since this could weigh down your curls. So that's why we concentrated the product from the middle to the end, which is the areas that usually tend to get very dry. Now I will put my hair in a low bun, and I will use my Tiara shower cap. This shower cap has dual purpose. You can use it in the shower to protect your hair from getting wet, and if you flip it inside out, you can use it to apply your deep conditioning. So by doing this, the cap will heat up the product, and it will open up the follicles of your hair, so it will absorb more the moisture. And since it doesn't have the elastic at the top, you're not gonna have any marks on your forehead, and it's going to be nice, warm, and secure, so you don't have to worry about moving around. I will wait 10 minutes, and I will rinse it off and come back to apply my styling products. I rinse off the deep conditioner after 15 minutes using cold water. I do have to mention that some of the deep conditioners that I tried before, when you use them, your hair feels silky. With this one, I don't know. It feels moisture, but a little bit like tangle. So it tangles a little bit. It doesn't. When you rinse it off, it doesn't leave your hair feeling like silky. But I know, because I tried it before, that it does moisture your hair a lot. So that's why probably you don't feel it right now, but after applying the other moisturizing products, styling products, it will just lock in the moisture that is already on the hair. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is very wet. I like to part my hair. I do like a little bit of side part, and the rest I will put it on in half, and I will start applying the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. This is a defining cream that is a light hold and give elasticity to your hair. So if you want like a softer curl, this is the product for you. And as you can see here, the level of all hold is 1. But since it's a cream, I will use it kind of like a leave-in conditioner. So I will use it that way as my styling. I will apply about this much of product. Last time I applied too much. And see how creamy it is? Also very rich. That's why I'm not going to apply too much. And I will use my fingers to apply the product. And whatever is left, I will just glaze it on top. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Feels like I need some more. Just like a half of what I did already. And I will apply it on the ends mostly. That I find that they get very dry. Now I'm using my denim brush just to distribute the product. I'm just going to put my microfiber towel just to help prevent any freeze. So using my denim brush, I like to just brush the top. If you have any questions about how to use a denim brush or what is a denim brush, make sure to click the link that you will see up here. And I do like to finger curl the front. So I'm just gonna grab any curls that the denim brush form, and I will just finger curl them to make them more defined. And now I will use the stronger gel that they have. It's a level 10 hold, the In Shower Gel Fixer. This is the one that I will apply, and we use like this much. I will just rub it on my hands first. I will flip my hair and I will glaze the gel using the praying hands technique. And after that I will scrunch. And you want to be able to hear that sound. That means that you have enough water and that your hair is well moisturized. And using my microfiber towel just to remove any excess water and product. Gently scrunching with my towel. At this point, I like to make sure that I don't have any frizz, and if I do, I will just add a little bit more product and fix those frizzy areas, because once they dry, it's gonna be hard to fix. So we'll do it now since it's still wet. Just gently glazing that on my hair. And now I do like to plait my hair for a few minutes just to help me create more volume up the roots. So I'm gently tied it around my hairline and put everything on top, as I said, for a few minutes just to help create more volume at the top. So I will go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then I will be back with the final result so you can see how these products look on my hair. So stay tuned. So now my hair is fully dry and this is the way it looks. It's not that hard. I do have a cast, but it's not super strong, which I like because I apply the cream first. If you do want to have a stronger hold, probably don't use as much cream and use more gel. I like them like in between, but this hold is good. So in order to break it, I will use hair oil, just 1 drop, because my hair is well moisturized, so I don't want to add too much oil, so just 1 drop, and I will break the cast. I'm rubbing the oil on my hands, and I'm starting to apply the product, the oil, using the praying hands technique. This will help lock the moisture on my hair, and it will break the cast. And you can see how now it's getting more volume. And I will flip my hair down and just give it a good shake. So here you have my hair after being fluff. Look how much volume I have, and look at these curls, so nice and defined. They look very healthy, hydrated, and I love the volume. So here you have my curls after using the Curlsmith Transitioner Hair Kit. This is the travel size, and as you can see, they look very bouncy, they look defined, they look healthy and hydrated. According to the website, Curlsmith is the first gourmet hair care brand specifically created for curls. They stand to be a brand that fits your curls. And I strongly agree with that, because the past 3 weeks that I've been using these products, I do notice my hair looks shinier, my hair looks healthier, and it looks like it's happy. Look how bouncy and defined my curl is, and I'm very happy with that. Currently they have 4 different lines. They have their scalp treatment line, they have their moisture line, which is the one that some of the products I use from. They recently came up with a hair treatment line very similar to Olaplex, for those who really have damaged hair and want to restore their hair. This product is very new, and I haven't been able to try it, but I will definitely try it. If you don't know what Olaplex is and you want to learn about it, make sure just check the link here to know what it's that and why it's so popular among the curly girls community. And lastly, they have their hair makeup line. These are temporary colors that will wash away after you rinse them. So I got the colors that they have, and I will try them on for you. So stay tuned for that video when I will do a hair makeup tutorial for you. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learn new tips and tricks on how to take care of your hair. So remember, if you're looking for a natural brand that cares for your curls, I will highly recommend you to try Curlsmith. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumb up to this video if you like it, and follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next week. Bye.